Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technology. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, that is 9th February. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. But first, let's start by analyzing options open interest data. So first, we will see that option max pain level has shifted upwards to 15,000 level from 14,900. So if market was to expire on 11th February around 15,000 odd round number, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. Now, if we analyze options open interest data, overall you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 15,400 strike and highest amount of puts have been written at 14,500 strike. So it gives us an overall broad range of almost 1000 points of 14,500 to 15,500 for this weekly expiry. However, if you see what happened intraday, the change in open interest data suggests that highest amount of calls were written at 15,300 strike and 15,500 strike. So in the near term, 15,300 to 15,500 range is going to act as a resistance area for the market, and you will see that highest amount of puts have been written at 15,000 strike followed by 14,800. So going forward, uh, 15,000 is likely to act as a strong support zone in the markets, and you will see that call option strikes like 14,900 strike, 15,000 call strike, so they saw their open interest reduced today. So it just tells us that call option buyers, they booked their profit, and call option writers, they have booked their losses. If we analyze Nifty spot on multiple time frames, you will see on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 13,758 levels. And if we see the weekly time frame, you will see that now we are under control of buyers above 15,064 levels. So as long as market trades above the daily open as well as the weekly and monthly open, we would have full time frame continuity to the upside. And here we will see the daily time frame. Here you will see that we gapped up and we attained full time frame continuity above the open, that is 15,064 today. And in terms of the price structure, you will see that we are making higher highs, higher lows. So there should be no doubt in one's mind that it's an uptrend, and the only high probability trade would be to buy on decline as long as this structure is maintained. And based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 15,115 levels, we can trade towards 15,159 levels, 15,190, and potentially 15,230 levels. And on the flip side, below 15,056 levels, we can trade towards 15,041 levels, 15,010 levels, and potentially 14,970 levels. And neutral price range is 15,115 to 15,056. However, as you all know that the price structure indicates that we are in an uptrend, so only high probability trade would be to look for buying opportunities. And if we trade below 15,115, one can refrain from making any trades and sit on the sidelines and look for buying opportunity if we trade only above 15,115 levels. Now we are going to be discussing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen for tomorrow are ICICI General Insurance, Bandhan Bank, Glenmark, and Apollo Hospital. So let's start by analyzing ICICI General Insurance. So here you will see on the monthly time frame, the ICICI General Insurance is under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, last week was an outside candle, and today we were slightly under control of buyers. However, if you see the daily time frame, despite market being under control of buyers, overall we can say that today there was an equilibrium between both the buyers and sellers as an inside candlestick was formed. So we look for buying opportunity above 1485.1 levels, and if we look for selling opportunity below 1464.45 levels, then one can reduce size by almost 50%. Second stock is Bandhan Bank. On the monthly time frame, we are currently under control of buyers above 310 levels. And on the weekly time frame, here you will see that we are slightly under control of sellers. So straight away there is conflict among multiple time frames. And if we see the daily time frame, you will see that we have formed an inside candlestick on Bandhan Bank. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 329.45 levels in Bandhan Bank, or we'll look for buying opportunity above 339.1 levels. And our third stock is Glenmark. On the monthly time frame, Glenmark is under control of buyers. However, if you will see that uh, we are in an inside, basically we are consolidating on a monthly time frame. This big candlestick, we are basically inside this candlestick. Here I'll show you. So this candlestick, which was of this, these monthly candles are inside this monthly candlestick. So it is consolidating, and on the monthly time frame, we are under control of buyers right now, and on the weekly time frame, we are under control of sellers. So overall, uh, there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers, and there is conflict among various time frames. And on the daily time frame, again we formed an inside candlestick, and yesterday was an outside candlestick. On Friday was an outside candlestick, and today on Monday it was an inside candle. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 507.9 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 500 levels. And we would be flexible in Glenmark, and we would be looking to trade either side of the breakout of today's high-low range. And our final stock is Apollo Hospitals. On the monthly time frame, it is again under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, it is under control of sellers right now, and you will see that on the daily time frame we formed an inside candlestick. So overall, again there is conflict among various time frames, and on the daily we formed an inside candle. So our plan of action would be to look for buying opportunities only above 2780.1 levels, or look for selling opportunity below 2724.9 levels, and refrain from making any trades in between the high-low range of today. I would like to summarize that above 15,115 we can trade towards potentially 15,230 odd levels, and below 15,056 we can trade towards 14,970 levels on Nifty spot. And broadly speaking, we're in a range of 15,500 to 15,000 level based on open interest data. And max pain for 11th February weekly expiry contract is at 15,000 levels, and our stock watch list comprises of inside candles on the daily time frame, and the stocks are Apollo Hospital, Glenmark, Bandhan Bank, and ICICI General Insurance. And finally, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel, and do check out the description section of this video. There you will get access to links in which we have posted regarding our weekly analysis, and you can also find all our recent blog posts as well. So once again, I'd like to thank you all for watching.